I'll tell you what, we've got such a good pattern coming our way. It'll be the longest dry stretch of weather that we have had since the beginning of September, like beginning to middle of September of last year, so almost 7 months ago. That's how nice the weather is going to be over the next several days. Live Viper radar tonight is quiet as we are continuing to see scattered clouds thinning out on satellite this evening. Radar looks just about as you would expect it, quiet tonight. And taking a live look outside on the Winter Nation Tower camera, we have a nice night outside. It is a little bit on the cool side, especially in a few spots already tonight, as numbers have dropped back to 37 in Marysville, down to a pretty chilly 34 in London. Get a little bit of clearing, and that's what will happen even this time of the year with a little bit of a northerly cooler air mass that's in place right now. We're still holding on to 45 here in the city, but that number is also set to drop tonight. You notice wind speeds very light to calm. That's good news and bad news a little bit. We usually need a little bit of mixing to keep temperatures up, but we're not going to have much of a wind chill to contend with out the door. So that's the good part about the winds being light tonight. So wind chill values are pretty much the same. There are a couple spots a little bit cooler. London feels like 31 at this hour. So it will be coat weather to heavier jacket weather out the door to start the day on Friday. But you notice already the cloud cover starting to thin out overnight tonight and pushing off towards the south and east. That is good news. That means we're going to see more sunshine as we progress through the day. I think we'll have a mix of a few clouds around during the morning hours tomorrow, but the general pattern will be sunshine beating out the clouds through the day. Still a northerly flow, so we're not going to get above normal for temperatures, which is around 60. I think we're going to fall just short of that during the day tomorrow, as we'll see those winds just out of the north to northeast throughout the afternoon. And then tomorrow night, notice that cloud cover fairly absent across much of the area. That is going to set us up with very light winds for a very chilly start to the day on Saturday. Some of us could have some patchy frost to start Saturday morning. So if you've done any kind of early planting, you may want to take some precautions for that. But numbers are going to heat up quickly during the day on Saturday. And we're going to have a big turnaround again on Easter Sunday. So tonight, middle to upper 30s for most of us. I think there are going to be a few spots off towards the west and northwest that drop into the low 30s tonight for overnight lows. So we'll be about 5 to 7 degrees below normal to start the day tomorrow. But it is going to be a nice day. We'll see clearing skies. Temperatures fall about a degree below normal as we'll top at 59 for your afternoon high on Friday. Weekend, because of clear skies and dry air in place, cool start on Saturday at 33, bounce back to 61 in the afternoon Saturday. Sunday gets even better. We'll get up to 65. Lots of sunshine. Still a cool start there. And then things really start to warm up. We'll get close to 70 on Monday. Plenty of sunshine. Low 70s on Tuesday. Middle 70s on Wednesday. And upper 70s Thursday. And I think Thursday is going to be another one of those days when you get south of Columbus. We'll have numbers back into the lower 80s Thursday and a dry 7-day forecast ahead, starting to work on that smushy ground that we got outside.